To set up call forwarding in POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're gonna start by opening phone dialer on our device. Next step is to click on those three lines in the top left corner of the screen, navigate into the settings, and then look for the calling accounts. Now, if you select that, you'll be able to find call forwarding settings. Enter them, then pick a card that you want to set up call forwarding for. If you have only one card, then it won't ask you for that. So we're gonna go for this one. I have an error, this card is inactive, but you shouldn't have that error if your card is active. From here, all you have to do is click on always forward and enter a number which will forward when somebody's calling you, it will forward it to that number right here. When you're busy, you can also change the forwarding number. When you unanswer the phone call, then it can also forward it to another number, and when you're unreachable, it can do the same thing. So that is all of the call forwarding settings. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.